Troubleshooting Your ITV Hub, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. If you're facing technical difficulties with your ITV Hub on your TV, don't worry. We're here to help. In this video, we'll guide you through various steps you can take to solve the most common issues. Let's get started.
Is your ITV Hub updated?
The first step in diagnosing your issue is making sure that your ITV Hub app is updated to the latest version. Most smart TVs will automatically update your apps, but sometimes you may need to do this manually. To check for updates, you should 1. Navigate to your TV's App Store or App section. 2. Find the ITV Hub app. 3. See if there is an Update option available. If there is, select it and let the app update. Once the update is complete, try running ITV Hub again to see if the problem is resolved.
Is your internet connection stable?
The next thing you'll want to check is your internet connection. ITV Hub, like other streaming services, requires a steady, reliable internet connection to work properly. To check your connection, 1. Try streaming from another service or browsing the web on another device. 2. If your connection seems slow or unreliable, try resetting your router. Remember, a wired connection is typically more stable than a wireless one. If you're experiencing persistent issues, you may want to consider switching to a wired connection if possible.
Have you tried reinstalling the ITV Hub app?
Sometimes, all that's needed is a fresh install. To do this, 1. Go to the Apps section on your TV. 2. Find the ITV Hub app and select Uninstall or Remove. 3. Once the app is uninstalled, restart your TV. 4. Go back to the App Store, find the ITV Hub app, and reinstall it. After reinstalling, check to see if the issues persist.
Are other devices experiencing the same issue?
If you're still having issues, it may be helpful to check if other devices are having the same problem. If you can, try accessing ITV Hub on a different device, like a laptop, smartphone, or different TV. If you're also experiencing issues on those devices, the problem may be on ITV's end, and you might need to contact their support for more help. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your ITV Hub issues. Remember, technical issues can sometimes be a bit tricky, but with a little patience, they can usually be resolved. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact ITV's customer support. They're there to help you enjoy their service to the fullest. Until next time, happy viewing!